can discover here about 200 different citrus varieties. We started with different varieties of lemons, and then oranges, citron, limes, and mandarin, clementine, and so on. We want to put a lemon on a pergola because here we normally propose a small the possibility of eating something to the tourists that they come in groups. But this is also a way of pruning typical of the Amalfi Coast. During our trip through Italy, discovering the ancient varieties of citrus, as I said, we discover also different ways of cultivation. You can put a lemon, an orange, a mandarin on a pergola, and for example, on the Amalfi Coast, you have the possibility to cover during the winter, because even if we are in front of the sea, you have cold wind during the winter. So they used to cover the plants and put on the pergola something to protect the plants, and also to delay the maturing of the fruits. Because the most important production area in Italy is, of course, Sicily. So the first fruits coming to the market come from very south in Sicily. Then it was important for the producer of the Amalfi Coast to delay the fruits, otherwise the price was too low. So they put on the market fruits in a period where Sicily was already over. Okay? And this was, perhaps you know, the Amalfi Coast is a place where you don't have a lot of room. You have terraces, and it was easy on the terraces to produce the fruits in this way. Another way of cultivation was the espalier. As you see through the windows, in Tuscany, even if we do not produce the plants for the fruits, but it is a good system to protect the plants in winter. So you can cover a wall. Normally the plants were put on the south side of the wall of the house, and then protect during the winter. You can consider the citrus can grow and survive until 0. This is not a problem. The temperature below 0 is a problem. So even if for some hours they get -1 or -2, it's not a problem. But if they stay for a longer time, then we lose all the leaves and they have problems. Okay? So the espalier in Tuscany is a typical way of pruning, not from the rich people, because the rich people had the terracotta pots, the orangery. The people, as my grandfather, they had not lots of money, so they put the plants in front of the house, and then they could protect. In this part of the nursery, we find, as I said, for example, the lemon from Amalfi. This is a typical, because it's a big, long, That lemon, for example, we called fall season lemon, lunario, because for every month they get flowers, naturally from the spring till the autumn, in winter not, because we don't have the temperature. And you can see, you see the fruits not all at the same stage, but they had the green one, the big green one, the flowers, the yellow one. That means the plants got flowers in a different periods.